respect you or your space.
Search and evaluate.
Okay. Everybody saw that scenario. What do you think you would do if you had that scenario and you were on that motorcycle? How's everybody going back there? Everything going all right? Okay.
It says list the 3 types of motorcycles and their primary use of each. The answer is here is a street, dual, and off-highway.
All right, everyone got gloves? What the dealer told us.
Yeah. We have several different size motorcycles here and styles of motorcycles.
Short one.
Okay. That's got a pretty good seat height over there. Great. Let's go ahead and lift the side stand up. And while we're on the motorcycles, let's go ahead and lean it to the right. And then go ahead and lean back to the left to feel the weight of the motorcycle. Get familiar with that. This signal is the staging signal. Come back to the staging area. Good job.
That was great. That was great. Good job.
Good head turn.
Bull box. There you go. Very good. Very good. Very good. See?
The next exercise is going to be called negotiating curves. We're also going to be practicing that same technique. So once we set it up, we're going to go ahead and explain the path of travel again, and you'll get a chance to practice some of those same techniques. As you see, Charlie's ready and on signal. We're going to go ahead and have you start. Charlie's going to shift to second gear, maintain speed through the first turn, accelerate down the straightaway. Notice his head and eyes are up. He's going to slow, look, press, and roll, getting his braking done before the turn. Out, coming to a stop right there where the coach will be. And we'll go ahead and signal you to go ahead. And that's it. Does anybody have any questions on that path of travel? Good. How'd that feel? Good, Morris. That's good. Cool. If we can, let's try to go ahead and shift a second before we get to that turn.
Oh, okay.
And accelerate through that turn in second, go up to 12 to 17 miles an hour, and then start your braking over there. What was the most important thing you learned in that exercise?
Probably smoothness, trying to keep it very smooth, all the
Throttle
way from when you
control.
start braking to when you came through.
I had a great time actually sitting in class with my fellow riders, and it was a really great bonding experience.